Why just eat at home tonight when cooking with cheese, glorious cheese, can take you anywhere? Try a taste of Texas with a Colby tamale pie. Warm up to a bowl of Yankee seafood and Gouda chowder. Or bake up a Chicago deep dish pizza with lots of mozzarella. Visit your dairy case today for your free regional cheese recipes and enter the Cook Regional with Cheese Sweepstakes. You can win some real tasty prizes.
Y'all ever been to Georgia?